And my name is Riyaa.
And we are part of Girls Will Code. And today, this is our first episode in a series where we will delve into women in STEM.
In today's episode, we will be talking about women who have achieved something in a STEM field through coding, algorithms, discovery. I am going to be talking about Haiti Lamar. She is an Australian-American actress, inventor, and film producer. She acted in 30 films over 28 years and co-invented an early version of frequency hopping speed spectrum, a method of transmitting radio signals by rapidly changing the carrier frequency. And what about you, Sarah?
I'm going to be talking about Katie Boomin. She was part of an international team of scientists who worked together to take the first ever picture of a black hole. And she was just 29 years old when she helped develop an algorithm that was really instrumental in that process. So, can you tell me something about Haiti Lamar?
In terms of education, she had no formal training and was primarily self-taught. She worked in her spare time, which among other things included traffic spotlights and tablets that would dissolve in water to create a carbonated drink. She thought of creating a frequency hopping signal that cannot be tracked or jammed. She conceived an idea and contacted her friend, composer, and pianist, George Anto, to help her implement it. What about you, Sarah?
So Katie's father is actually a professor of electrical and computer engineering and also biomedical engineering at Purdue University. And when she was only a high schooler, she was already conducting research in computer imaging at Purdue University. And that continued in her undergrad, where she studied electrical engineering at the University of Michigan. And then she went on to earn her master's degree and PhD at MIT, which is also where she conducted the majority of her research that contributed to the first direct image of a black hole. So going into the more technical aspect of it, the way that they were able to take a picture of this black hole was they had satellites all around the world take pieces of the picture, and then they put all those together, and that's how we got our first image. And she led the development of the algorithm for imaging this black hole. And this algorithm is known as the continuous high resolution image construction using patch priors, which is abbreviated to CHIRP. And that inspired image validation procedures that basically effectively decided whether or not a part of a picture taken by a satellite was actually part of a black hole. And that's how scientists were able to take a full image of a black hole.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, and the crazy thing is she wasn't even 30 when she wasn't even 30 years old yet. Yeah, she was only 29. And so she was really young, and she was working in a male-dominated field. And it's a very inspirational story because she was obviously very passionate about it. She also gave a talk, and it was great. Yeah.
Wow. So about Haiti, she's best known as a Hollywood superstar, so you must be wondering why she's on our list of women programmers. But Queen Lamar was known for her dedication to other passions like science and inventing. Along with her partner, they developed a device for doing that when he succeeded by synchronizing a miniaturized player piano mechanism with radio signals. They drafted designs for her frequency hopping system, which they patented. In fact, she created the communication system that will later become the basis for Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth that we use today.
That's crazy. I use Wi-Fi every day.
Exactly.
And it's also unexpected that someone who's sort of a social figure would be so invested in STEM.
Yeah.
That's so cool to learn about.
Yeah. And first, this happened in the 19th century. So imagining stuff this advanced to happen at that time is just amazing.
We love powerful women. um, yeah, overall, we wanted to make this video to just showcase some of the really great women who have contributed to a STEM field in a really great way. And hopefully this highlights or demonstrates some inspirational figures in STEM that we can all learn from.
And we stand up for ourselves when we want to accomplish something in the field of STEM and not be afraid of like boys dominating this field.
Absolutely. So everyone should be motivated and follow what they're passionate about. And it doesn't matter if you're young, or it doesn't matter what job you work in or what type of education you've had, because literally anything is possible.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you next time with more videos.
Yes, we're going to be talking about the general female experience in STEM, so please check it out if you're interested. And thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.